With AI, every rebellious act gets treasured. Every uprising voice gets stimulated. You will learn how to protest. You will learn how to resist. But still, you will fail at times. At times, what the algorithm can't predict is that you are not only meant to fight the system, but be a part of it. At IEM Robotics, we not only teach kids what to think, but how technology works. It starts with understanding what is a STEM kit, to build real systems with their own tiny hands. With us, they don't just read about the application of laser security systems, but build one with skill. With us, they don't just memorize the MQ2 gas sensor working principle, but watch it respond to the real world with confidence. With us, they don't just search for a Tesla coil project explanation, but see electricity dance in front of them. We in real help them build curiosity with confidence. We empower questions to become skill sets. We push learners to become creators. We let them live in a future which not only gets predicted, but structured for the new generation. Give your child more than answers. Give them the tools to shape tomorrow. Explore STEM robotics kits at IEM Robotics. Learn, build, create.